Hey guys, so this is the look that I'm going to teach you how to do today. This is like a dewy, radiant kind of makeup look for the summer. I hope you guys like it and keep on watching. So today we're going to start out very differently than what I usually do, which is just the eyes. Today I'm going to do the full face and I'm going to show you how I do it. So I have been getting nicer skin and better complexion with my texture and my redness because that I've been drinking more water. I've actually been putting cold water before I put my makeup on, and it closes my pores. It feels nicer because I usually wash my face with hot water when I take a shower. That's what I've been doing. I've actually moisturized a lot as well. It's just been better. It's really good. The cold water really helped out the pores, and it's been making my face a whole lot better. So before I start, I like to take my lip chap, which is Bliztex, and I just put it all over my lips. So that way, in the meantime, when you're putting on your makeup, it's hydrating. So I haven't been using this one lately. I feel like this one is breaking me out. I've just been putting this Hangover 3-in-1 Too Faced Prime and Set. While I set my face and I let it just dry a little bit just so it can soak into the face, take my Makeup Forever Ultra HD, and this is in Y365. And I'm just going to shake it, and then I'm going to take my NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation, and this is in Deauville. So I'm just going to shake both of them up. So what I usually did is I would put it directly on the beauty blender. I felt like it was taking so much product. It was just literally just wasting my money. So I just put it directly. I don't touch this on my skin. I just let it fall. Same thing right here. You just gotta be careful because last time I kind of stained my shirt. So I mixed the two because I feel like this other one is too dark. So remember to blend it everywhere, even in the ears, because sometimes your face would literally have a line of two colors. Your ears one color and then your cheek is another color, which is weird. That's why I like these two foundations mixing, because the NARS is very dewy and then the Makeup Forever is full coverage, and then with those two mixing it just gives a nice dewy complexion. So I'm going to take the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in medium 1 custard. You can actually take a brush or you can take your finger, whichever works for you. I'm just gonna put it all around right here because of my dark circles. You want to hide that, right? You want to let anybody know that you have dark circles or any imperfections, because you're supposed to be perfect, right? Joking. You just blend. So I don't do the big triangle of concealer because I think it's just too much. I use a little bit and just build up slowly. We're gonna take the other NARS concealer. Yeah, the Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm just gonna put it on top of that same concealer that we just put. We're just gonna blend it in. So remember, when you're blending here, also blend over here, because then it'll look just like a line of two different colors. I'm going to set the face, the same beauty blender that we used, and I'm just gonna buff out any creases, which obviously there is, because I'm not perfect. So it stopped recording. Whatever. So we're gonna take the Laura Mercier powder, and we're going to actually take that blender that I use under my eye and actually get a little bit of powder. And I don't bake because I have dry skin, so I feel like it dries me out. So I'm just gonna put it all over right here and just dab it away. And then you can take a fluffy brush and just go to town all over your face. Your face. You can set your face all over. I don't know, I used to bake so much, and then people started telling me that I look really dry around my eyes and around my nose, and I'm like, what is it? Yeah, so if you have dry skin, do not bake. Or try not to bake too long. You can bake for 30 seconds, maybe 20 seconds, and then just wipe it off really quickly. So I'm gonna take the Marc Jacobs Mirage filter, and I'm just gonna start contouring my face. So here, here, and here. And then I'm gonna go here, here, and what it does, it Gives you kind of dimension so you just don't look flat and round. I'm gonna use a smaller brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna actually define just the small areas. Before we're done with contour, I'm actually gonna do all this, the jawline. So now I'm gonna take my Tarte blush, and I'm gonna put it right here. I know some people don't like blush, but it definitely changes your whole makeup look. It gives you color, it gives you life. And I actually, only in the summer, I put it on my nose. I was out too long and it gave me a little bit of sunburn, but I do like the sunburn look. So now we're going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow pomade in soft brown, and we're going to take the number 14, sorry, the number 12. So you can skip this step if you want it to be more natural than usual. You can leave this here, do your mascara, and then done, and then highlight, and then done. But I'm actually gonna do my eyebrows because they look really faded and super light, and I don't like it, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in, and I'm going to show you what I do with my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of that pomade, and sometimes I go overboard, so have a little tissue handy. Start from here to the end. So I go with the natural curve of my eyebrow. I don't like to be straight and then boom. I don't like how it looks on me. I know it looks good on other people, but not me. So we're gonna leave this part empty, okay? I'm gonna go on the second one, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So now you clean it all off. You just clean it like that. So this line that you see right there, I'm just gonna blend it out. What I did not do is carve them out because I kind of want them to be not that perfect. Let's do highlight. I'm gonna take Champagne Pop. I'm taking the 1/16 MAC brush, but you can take a smaller brush because I know this one is a little too big. And I'm going to actually go everywhere with the highlight. So normally I just put it here, here, and here, and that's it. But this time I'm gonna go literally everywhere. I'm gonna show you. And it gives you life too. It just glows you up, and it gives you lots of life. You don't look dead or flat or boring. You look like you shine. And so I'm putting it as close as you can to the eyebrow. Try not to move or erase the pomade that we put. You are all set. All you need now from here is your lashes. I'm gonna take the BADgal from Benefit mascara, which I have been loving this whole summer. I've been using it for months and months, and it's really good. It kind of beat my Too Faced mascara. You glow everywhere. You just glow from within. This is gonna take a while as well, so get ready. You can change any step of this makeup look. You don't have to do it like me because it doesn't make sense if everybody just does it the same way and it's just like boring. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, love it, share it, treasure it, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Or butts, or bubble butts. Less is good, guys. Less is good. Eyelashes or highlight? I'm blending. I'm just gonna take the bigger fluff, the bigger brush.
No. Yeah, keep on watching.